Pamela Shepherd with Pamela Shepherd Productions here. And today my niece and I have been putting away all of the fall decor, just breaking it all down, putting it all in bins, putting it back in the storage, and working on Christmas. So I've been working in the evenings on Christmas. I have to have, I think, 12 wreaths for the windows on the outside of my house. We bought an old colonial farmhouse. It was built in 1900, and I have just loved it. I love it. It has one of those balconies that goes all the way around upstairs, and I'm going to have greenery up there, of course, and big bows, and then I'm going to have out in the front of my yard, I'm going to have candy canes, which I'll show you. But what I did was I glorified it. And so I have to have, I think, 18 of those. I went to the Dollar Tree and got a small green wreath and a large green wreath. So that's $2. And then I got a bow. And what I did was I fluffed them and put the small one in the middle, put the large one in the outside. I bought some of this and I just cut it into just pieces, and I used that to wind the two wreaths together. I went several places and looked at wreaths. I looked at wreaths online. The closest to anything that looked nice enough to me for all the windows was probably pretty close to $10 a piece. And I had too many to do. I just didn't want to spend that much. So I'm going to have these, and I'll have a ribbon hanging from the back of it, up. And I will show you all of that when I do that. I know it seems like an early time to get rid of all of our fall items, but if you're a creator on YouTube, you have to jump ahead of the game, and you have to put stuff away and get stuff prepared. So I'm going to show you how I did one of these wreaths real quick, and I'll show you how I did one of the candy canes. And those are going to be, like I said, the candy canes are going to I'm going to have stakes all around the front of my front yard every 4 feet, and then I'm going to have candy cane decorated on that stake, and then I'm going to have a what's it called, the light that just solar light that's up above that. So I'm going to show you how I do both of those in just a minute, so hang on. Okay, so here's the candy cane that I got at the Dollar Tree for $1. I got these picks at, actually they didn't have any picks at our Dollar Tree, so I got these at Walmart, and so they're 98 cents each. So I would just put those together, and I actually would 100% hot glue it. And then here is the ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and this is I just tied it into a bow, and then we could hot glue it there, or I could wrap it around the candy cane before I tie it into the bow. And so it's going to be really cute. I have to have 18 of them out for my yard, so I think that would just be fabulous. I did buy this ribbon from Joann's. It was 75% off. It was normally $14.99. Anyhow, this one is really nice. I got it, and it's quite wide. It's 4 inches, so that would make a nice candy canes before. And I have quite a few of these picks left because I had a bunch of those when I did the when I had my dinner theater. So I have tons of these. So I'm probably going to use those just because I have a lot of them. I like them a lot. This one is the 18-inch. Okay, so you have the 16-inch, and then you have the 18-inch. Take this paper off. We're gonna. Then I take the 15-inch and I put it inside the 18-inch, and I take just a little piece of this that comes like this from the Dollar Tree. You get 15 feet of it, so you don't need that much. Okay, so then I just take it, actually, and I just laid it across and then wrapped it around the back of it. Just came across here. I don't know, go about, whatever, 3-4 inches. Be careful not to get it too tight yet because you want it to be a little bit the same all the way around. Pull it through. Go again. A little bit further here. All right. And I'm coming to the end. Okay, there you have it. Yep. Then you can either make your own bows, and then you just put one of these Dollar Tree bows on it. That's all I'm going to do for these that go up